Hey guys, what's up? My name is Devyansh and welcome back to the channel. This is the part 2 of the video editing series. And in the part 1 we discussed about the software in brief. We discussed about different tabs and their uses. And अगर आपने वो नहीं देखा तो उसका link अभी इधर आ रहा होगा. So make sure you watch that first and then this video. So in this video we will see that how we can import our video files in the project tab and also how we can organize them. एंड ऑल्सो हम ये भी देखेंगे कि हम वीडियोस को ट्रिम कैसे कर सकते हैं एंड हाउ टू जॉइन द वीडियोस. ऑलराइट, सो नाउ लेट्स मूव इनटू द सॉफ्टवेयर. So I have opened Premiere Pro and this is the basic interface that we discussed earlier. So सबसे पहले we will import our data into project tab. So for this there are a couple of ways. So the first way is double click in the project tab and go to your location where your videos are saved and just select them and press enter or click open. So it will import your video files, and if you want to enlarge them you can do this from here, or if you want to see the thumbnail of the videos then you can click here. So the other way is go to file and then import, and then you can simply select these video files and hit OK. And also you can go to your location where your video files are and just simply drag and drop these files on the project tab. Okay, so it will import your files. So now let's come to the organizing of your data. In big projects it is really very important. So by organizing I mean that you can make different groups in this project tab for different types of data. So what you can do is make different groups for different types of data. Like videos एक group में होगी, then music एक group में हो गया, then maybe some text or say sound effects अलग हो गए. So for this you can right click over here and select new bin and name it videos. Then you can just select your videos and drag these in the videos bin. Okay, also you can make a bin from this icon also, new bin, and let's say music. Now just drag this file in music. So when we will double click on the videos then we can see our videos, and if we want to go back we can click here. So if we want to rename any of these bins or say these videos, what we can do is select the clip and hit enter, and then you can name it any way that you like. So similarly you can create such bins. And also if you want to import some folders here, then also just double click and select that folder and click import folder. तो ये आपका folder को import कर लेगा. वैसे ये बिन्स बनाना it is only preferable when you are doing a big project. Otherwise if you are working on something small or you are making some short videos, then you can directly import all your data inside project tab without making these bins. I only make bins when I have to edit some big videos, for example my YouTube videos. For making my Instagram reels or some short videos, I just put everything in the project tab directly. Okay, so now let's come to the timeline. And so before starting editing we have to create a sequence in this timeline, and sequence is basically an individual timeline. So it is the ratio of your video, whether landscape, portrait or square. And for creating a sequence you can go to file, then new, and then sequence. So if you have shot your videos with some professional camera, then यहाँ पे बहुत सारे presets हैं, you can select from any of these. Otherwise जैसे मैं मोबाइल से शूट करता हूँ कोई भी वीडियो, so I prefer making a custom sequence and I go to settings and then I select the frame size. For landscape it is 1920 by 1080. For square video you can choose 1080 by 1080, and for Instagram story it is 1080 by 1920, and Instagram portrait के लिए होता है 1080 by 1350. And here you can name your sequence, let's say render, and you can hit OK. So see यहाँ पे हमारा लैंडस्केप में एक सीक्वेंस बन गया है. अब सीक्वेंस बनाने का एक और भी तरीका है. सो हम इसको अभी डिलीट कर देते हैं, सीक्वेंस को इसको सेलेक्ट किया एंड डिलीट. So go to your videos and just right click over here and make new sequence from clip. Cool. So it will make a sequence from your clip. जो भी clip आपकी होगी उसका जो भी इसका फॉर्मेट होगा उसी वे में वो आपका सीक्वेंस बना लेगा. ओके. सो टाइमलाइन में आपको ये जो लाइन दिख रही है इसके ऊपर वाली जो लेयर्स होती हैं वो वीडियोस के लिए होती हैं एंड इसके नीचे होती हैं जो ऑडियोस के लिए होती हैं या साउंड इफेक्ट्स ऐड करने के लिए होती हैं. सो अभी इस वीडियो में कोई ऑडियो नहीं है तो इसलिए यहाँ पे कोई ऑडियो शो नहीं हो रही है. Also, if you want to shrink your timeline, so you can use these handles. Like you can left click over here and drag it to the right to shrink it, or to the left to expand it. So in the same way you can add other videos to the timeline like this. So now let's see how we can trim these videos. Let's say कि हमें यहाँ पे इस वीडियो को कट करना है. So उसके लिए we will go to the razor tool in the toolbar and we will just click on that portion. Now go to selection tool and select this and delete it. इसको ट्रिम करने का एक और भी तरीका है. Let's go back. So let's say हमें यहाँ तक ट्रिम करना है तो अपने माउस को इसके एंड पर लेकर जाइए एंड व्हेन यू विल सी दिस आइकन, दिस रेड वाला आइकन, एंड लेफ्ट क्लिक करके रखना एंड ड्रैग टू द लेफ्ट. सो यू कैन ट्रिम इट इन दिस वे ऑल्सो. So after trimming your videos according to you, you can just drag them and join them. So इनको join कैसे करना है? After you trim your videos, you just have to drag them like this and they will be joined. See. So then if you play them, they are like this. So that's all for today's video, and if you enjoyed it then consider sharing it with your friends. Do give your feedback in the comments, and there are more videos coming soon, so make sure you subscribe to the channel and I'll see you in the next video.